One day, her youngest son was seriously ill.
What's this, my child? Wait, let me call the doctor.
Hello? Yes. Is this Dr. Ron? Oh, yes, doctor. Can you please come and treat my son? He's he's ill. Yes, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
After some time, the doctor arrived.
Oh, doctor, you're here. Thank you, doctor. So sweet of you. Come this way. My dear children, it's already time for you to go to school. Go and get ready.
May I know your good name?
I'm J3.
Oh, such a good name.
Oh, my dear child, it is under the drawer. Can you please have and take it?
Mama, I need to stay back after school for football today. I need an extra defense.
Oh, darling, I remembered your football match today. I have packed an extra ticket for you on the table. You can go and have a look at it.
Thank you, Mama.
How many children do you have?
As many as I could.
Don't worry, you'll get alright.
Big grace, my dear child.
Don't worry, we will be alright. By the way, which one of them is your favorite?
The one who needs me the most is my favorite.
Which one? What do you mean?
The one who is sick, the one who is sad, the one who is lonely, and the one who needs me the most is my favorite child.
You are such a hardworking woman. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, doctor.
And you're doing a great job.
As mother, who is always there for your children, in joy or in pain, your unwavering attention reflect the way a mother constantly devoting to the well-being of the sisters and for this reason, serving and guiding with love and unwavering faith, even in the toughest times. Just like a mother gives herself to her children, your very life with selfless service, spreading kindness in every places. Dear Mother, may God continue to bless you and guide you. May you continue to be the beacon of love, joy, and hope to the people around our prayer for us. Thank you.